this is Abishek, and I'm from Chennai. I did my college in SRM University, and I did civil engineering. And I don't think civil engineer gives me a good opportunity to build my career. Later on, my friend suggested me digital marketing. So when I searched in Google, the top digital marketing platform is Digital Vidya. So I chose Digital Vidya, and I gained a lot of knowledge through Digital Vidya. And my coordinator Pooja Bajaj and my mentor Mega had taught me a lot, and I've gained a knowledge in SEM, SEO, email marketing, Facebook Meta, everything. And also, I got certifications through HubSpot and Google with the help of Digital Vidya teams. And thank you.
Great.